Nailing Vertedge into compacted aggregate. Ensure the aggregate around the area perimeter has a dry cement mix laid at approximately 5:1, and tamped down for maximum stability. The aggregate should be set below the edge at the same depth of the grass being used. For example, a 40 mm grass, the aggregate should be set at 40 mm below the finished height. Position the Vertedge in place, leaving a 10 mm gap from the front edge for the grass to tuck down into. Proceed to nail the Vertedge down using 100 to 150 mm nails through the pre-punched holes along the Vertedge strip. Once fixed, check there is a consistent 10 mm gap at the front edge. Nailing Vertedge into semi-set cement. Lay a cement haunch around the perimeter, setting the haunch below the finished height at the same thickness of the grass being used. For example, a 40 mm grass pile would be set 40 mm below the finished height. Position the Vertedge strip on the haunch, leaving a 10 mm gap from the front edge for the grass to tuck down into. Using 100 to 150 mm galvanized nails, proceed to nail each Vertedge section through the pre-punched holes. Do not allow the cement haunch to dry out too much, thus allowing the nails to be driven into the cement with ease and creating a strong hold between the cement and the nails. Once secured, ensure there is a consistent 10 mm gap left at the front edge for the grass to tuck down into. Adhering Vertedge onto a dry cement edge method. Set the cement haunch at the same thickness of the grass being used below the finished edge height. For example, a 40 mm grass pile will need the cement haunch to be set 40 mm below the finished height. Turn the Vertedge trim to the back as shown and apply a bead of Vertedge adhesive along the entire trim. Now turn the Vertedge strip back over and press into position onto the cement haunch. Ensure a 10 mm gap is left at the front edge of the Vertedge strip for the grass to tuck down into. And also ensure the cement is completely dry, as moisture within the cement will affect the bonding of the Vertedge strip to the haunch. And always remember, leave that 10 mm gap at your front edge for the grass to tuck in. Securing Vertedge using the cement over base method. Start by laying a wet cement haunch around the perimeter of your sub-base area. The cement haunch should be set below the finish height at the same depth of the artificial grass. For example, if the grass is 40 mm thick, then the haunch should be laid 40 mm below the finished height. Then smooth off your cement with your trowel. Make sure you create a flat level area around the edge to set your Vertedge onto. Now position the Vertedge in place, leaving a minimum of a 10 mm gap from the front edge of the Vertedge strip to the finished edge, for the grass to tuck down into. Using a pointing trowel, cut off and use the excess cement at the back edge of the cement haunch. Now spread the cement over the base of the Vertedge strip whilst ensuring a space is left in the Vertedge cavity for the granite infill to tuck into at the next stage. Cutting Vertedge along curves and around circles. Using a sharp pair of tin snips, snip the thinned out section in front of the V-spring along the Vertedge strip as shown. Once the tops are cut, the V-springs are activated, allowing full flexibility and can be fixed in place using any of the Vertedge fixing methods. Place the Vertedge strip around the curve, fixing the Vertedge down using your preferred method. Vertedge can curve to any contour, or around 360-degree circles, leaving your grass edge with a professional finish every time.
Infilling the Vertedge cavity once fixed in place. Mix the granite dust with cement at a 5:1 ratio. Drop the mix along the base of the Vertedge, filling the Vertedge cavity with the granite cement mix. Now push the granite dust into the Vertedge cavity, ensuring the cavity is filled with the granite and cement mix. This will provide the strongest possible edge, lasting the lifetime of the artificial lawn and beyond. Once the edging detail is complete, proceed to scrid and level the area with granite dust. Then compact, ready to receive the lawn.
Cutting the artificial grass over the Vertedge system. Fold the artificial grass over and cut through the backing, leaving 3 to 5 mm excess to tuck down. This allows for enough grass to tuck down into the 10 mm gap at the front of the Vertedge. Now pull back the grass and apply the Vertedge adhesive to the exposed section of the Vertedge as shown. Ensure the adhesive is applied along the entire Vertedge section. Once applied, fold the grass back over. Press the grass into place and apply pressure, ensuring good contact between the grass backing and the Vertedge. Now using one hand apply pressure to the grass whilst tucking the grass down simultaneously. How strong is Vertedge? Very strong, very safe, and will last the lifetime of your artificial lawn and beyond. Vertedge, taking artificial grass installations to the next level.